Hey Steven, happy Tuesday. Handyman. I am not. I was like the first generation to grow up digital. When I was in the 3rd grade, my school got the internet and we got computers and we didn't have workshop. But I think I would have been a really good handyman. I think I got the right mind for it. I like to problem solve, and I think it's there. It's there, except I just never learned how to use the tools or the skills or really how to do it. So I don't know why I'm so confident. Maybe it's false confidence, but I think I could do it. I think I'd be really good at it. I don't know how. All right, so this is actually one of the biggest regrets that I have, is that I never learned how to take things apart, put them back together, and just learn how to workshop, how to build your own thing. Recently, our AC, the air conditioning in our place, we've had it for like 9-10 years, and we clean the filters every year, but every year it's just been getting weaker and weaker, and then this year it wouldn't drop below 29. That's pretty hot. So we would set it to 19 and it would reach 29 and just stop working. Who cares if it breaks, because it's practically broken already. I'm gonna try to fix it. We completely took it apart, cleaned every little thing. So much dust. Our house literally looked like a Ghibli movie. It looked like freaking the movie Totoro. Just like the little black dust monsters all over the place. That was our house. Anyways, we got the entire thing completely fixed. It works perfectly now. First night, we set it to 19, expecting it not to work at all. And we woke up and it was like 23 degrees Celsius, and everybody was freezing. We were like, where are the blankets? Ah! Hey, so Steven, my question for you. I don't know how to make things, and this is also true for food. I never learned how to cook. Not really. There's a horrible story about that. Maybe I'll tell you someday. But embarrassing. Just absolutely embarrassing. But tell me, how did you learn how to cook? Because I know you're a really good cook. My wife is always interested in what you're cooking and wanting to eat it, getting your recipes. So tell me, how did you get into cooking? All right, I'll see you Thursday, man.